gagawin mo lang, tatapat mo lang na gano'n sa, ito yung ring.
Oo.
Gigitna mo lang, tapos bitawan mo lang, tapos gigitna mo lang. Ayan, gitna mo lang.
Wala pa tayong free throw, parehas po kami kulang po.
Pakita ko sa'yo.
Ako free throw.
Pasok! Pasok!
Kulang po. First pass.
Ban, gitna. Rep side lang, rep ha. Parang hindi harang. Side lang. Okay, thank you. Wah! Ang tatapat mo lang ganyan, no? So, bitawan mo na. Kita! Nice! Nice, Bill! Ang tatapat mo lang na gano'n. Sa gitna.
Oras pa natin, 9 minutes and 42 seconds.
Ganun lang siya. Try mo.
2-0, favor of Cruz Metal.
Wala kasi mong count.
Ako dito po.
Lipat sa kabila. Tapat lang sa kabila. Konti pa. Dito siya nakatapat.
Kasi.
Kaya sa kabila rin. Yan, ganyan lang siya. Ayun, balik ulit. Ang bilis.
Oo, ayan. Ayan.
Traveling. Housing ball. Oras natin, 9 minutes and 3 seconds.
Konti pa. Yan, gitang-gitang. Basta dito siya.
Gitna-gitna.
Nakasentro lang siya. Walang tres! Walang tres!
Foul. Basket. Good foul, red.
Kasi dito mo lang siya itatapat ng ring.
Ang ring, agang ring.
Gitna lagi lang nasa gitna. Tapat mo lang siya sa ganito. Ha?
Sige pa.
Thank you, thank you.
Oras pa natin, 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Score, 4-3.
Hello, boy.
Score, 5-4, favor of Kalsu. Oras natin, 6 minutes and 54 seconds. 5 seconds of the shot clock.
Balik ko. Pagod talaga nito.
Score 9-6. Oras natin 6 minutes. Uno, dos, tres. Score 12-6. Foul, passing. Push, foul, right. Number 11. Number 11, first personal foul, second team foul. Caparate, 12. Score 14-8. Oras natin 5 minutes and 15 seconds. Nine seconds of the shot clock. 7 seconds of the shot clock. First, partner, James Clear. Score 16-10 in favor of Kalsi. Oras po natin is 4 minutes and 47. Number 15, first personal foul. 13 foul. Score 18-13 in favor of Kalsi. Oras natin, 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Same ball. Score 20-13. Oras 3 minutes and 56 seconds. Score 22-18. Oras 2 minutes and 54 seconds. Score 22-20. Oras 2 minutes and 39 seconds. Number 15. Second team foul. Score for nothing. It's 23-20. Double. Off for nothing is 2 minutes and 2 seconds. Basket. 25-20. All sudden, 1 minute and 43 seconds. Forty seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 7 seconds. All up, 1 minute and 30 seconds. Score nothing, 25-22. Table one, Samsi. 59 seconds. Fifty-one seconds. 47 seconds. 80 seconds on the shot clock. 40 seconds. 33 seconds. 30 seconds. 28 seconds. Uno, dos, tres. 22 seconds. Set ball. 19 seconds. Score. 25 ball. 14 seconds. 10 seconds. 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Official score. Official score for natin is 26-27 in favor of Cruz Metal. Back to the ball game. Sa kabila po bola, sa kabila po.
Kabila ng bola, sa kabila.
Sa kabila po bola.
Dito una eh. Para second.
Score 28-27. Forty seconds. Morales is 8 minutes and 57 seconds. Same ball. 14 seconds. Stop the shot clock. 14 seconds.
Iverson!
50 seconds. Stop the shot clock.
Parang si Aaron ng pagkatapos.
All started is 8 minutes and 40 seconds. Timeout! Counting. Official score. In favor of Bruce Metal. Official score po natin. Oras po natin is 8 minutes and 3 seconds. Official score, 32-30 in favor of Bruce Metal. Back to the ball game! Bouncing ball. Oh, 32. Oras, 7 minutes and 43 seconds.
Iverson!
Same ball. Oh, 7 minutes and 38 seconds. Same ball. 14 seconds. On the shot clock. 40 seconds. So, that's for 32 in favor of Council. All started in 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Kick ball. Seconds of the shot clock. He's on. 36, 32. Favor of Council. Same ball. On started 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Score, Captain 32. Wow! Who's my rep? Who's my rep? Number 22, foul. Score Brandon is 39-31. Business score. Stop! 31, 53. Or Saturday is 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Palpe! Palpe daw! Palpe! Palpe! Ano score? Portugal 33 score! Favor of Council. Palpe po tayo. Palpe pa. Yung mga hindi pa naglalaro, pakipasok na to. Hindi pa naglalaro. Pasok na to. Yung mga bago po, pasok na po. Shoutout po kay Boss Edman. Pasok na po yung mga back to the ball game. Score per natin is 41-43. Oras, 5 minutes and 3 seconds. Seconds on the shot clock. Score, Portugal 35. All seconds is 5 minutes and 35 seconds. Uno, dos, tres. Score, Portugal 35. Karangnya. Albo. Score, 46-35. All seconds, 5 minutes. Two balls. 46-37. All seconds, 3 minutes and 40. Oras 2 minutes and 26 seconds. Score 49-37 in favor of Council. 50 seconds of the shot clock. 10 seconds of the shot clock. 8 seconds. 6 seconds. 4 seconds. 2 seconds. Cruz met the ball. Score natin is 48-37. Oras, 3 minutes. Score, 49-39. Oras, 2 minutes and 52 seconds. Oras, 2 minutes and 39 seconds. 50 seconds of the shot clock. 10 seconds of the shot clock. Foul. Who's foul left? Number 9. Pushing foul. Number 9. Second personal foul. 2 team foul. Oras natin is 2 minutes and 8 seconds. Go! 15:43. Oras natin is 1 minute and 8 seconds. 60 seconds. Alright. Ang score natin, 50-45. Oras, 1 minute and 36 seconds. Sako. Al. Save ball. Oras natin is 1 minute and 60 seconds. 40 seconds. Shot clock. $52.45. $55 seconds. 50 seconds. 60 seconds on the shot clock. Score 54-45. 44 seconds. 42 seconds. Foul. Basket. Who's foul, man?
Basket ka.
80 seconds. Official score po natin, 54-48. 38 seconds. 35 seconds. 80 seconds on the shot clock. 32 seconds. 1, 2, 3. 28 seconds. Seconds. 16 seconds. 14 seconds. 10 seconds. 8 seconds. 7 seconds. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. Atin ako, mahabol pa na referee po. Habol pa na referee. Basket count! Basket count, baik kanan run. Ang official score po natin ay 61-40 in favor of Council. May 2 free throw na po tayo sa Council po
Rep 2 free throw, kabila.
May 2 free throw na po tayo sa kabila po ng Council po. Third quarter. May free throw na po tayo sa Council. May free throw na po ang Council.
Dito na, dito bola.
Dito na po ang bola sa kabila. Free throw po, Council. Free throw, Council.
Free throw, free throw.
Free throw po.
Free throw. Kulang kayo, kulang kayo.
Wala po kayo yung closing.
Tama bola dito. Dalawa.
Official score po, 63-48 in favor of Council.
Shoutout ka.
Third quarter. Score per natin 64-50. Favor of Council. Oras per natin is 9 minutes and 40 seconds. Same ball. Same ball. Oras per natin is 9 minutes and 3 seconds. Score 64-50. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Score 66-50. Or started is 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Same ball. Official score 65-50. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Score 65-52. Score 67-52. Alright, 7 minutes and 52 seconds.
Number 25.
Foul, number 25, number 25. Personal foul. First team foul. Council ball. Score para natin is 74-58. Oras, 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Uno, dos, tres. 77-58. 83-60.
5 tayo rin pa.
Shot clock. 30 seconds of the shot clock. Palit lima. Score natin 83-62. Palit pa tayo lima. Or sa atin, 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Uno, dos, tres! Or sa atin, 4 minutes and 19 seconds. Score natin, 86-66. Score 88-66. Or sa atin is 4 minutes. Uno, dos, tres. Score 88-69. Basket 90-69. Or sa atin is 3 minutes and 40 seconds. 40 seconds of the shot clock. 40 seconds. 10 seconds of the shot clock. 8 seconds. Score 90-71. Or sa atin is 3 minutes and 22 seconds.
Marami! Sir! Marami!
60 seconds of the shot clock. Uno, dos, tres. 93-71. 93-73. Or sa atin is 2 minutes and 59 seconds.
Sir! Marami! Woo!
12 seconds of the shot clock. 10 seconds. Or sa atin is 2 minutes and 27 seconds. Score 95-73. Oras 2 minutes and 11 seconds. Basket. Score pa natin 95-75. Oras 1 minute and 57. 9 seconds of the shot clock. Counting ball. Or sa atin is 1 minute and 39 seconds. Oras 1 minute and 30 seconds. Score 95-77. Oras natin is 1 minute and 10 seconds. 40 seconds of the shot clock. 10 seconds of the shot clock. 99-79. Oras natin, 35 seconds. 30 seconds. 101-79. 22 seconds. 101-80. 81. 10 seconds. 8 seconds. 5 seconds.
Puro sablay.
Passing. And now the third quarter. Official score 101-81. Next game po. Be ready po. Evan versus Edmund Lu. Wala na po tayong mandatory 5. Hindi na po ipasok kung sino po gusto nyo ipasok. Huwag lang yung nasa labas na hindi nakasapatos. Ang piso-piso yun. Tragic council call. One, three, eight, one. Pick it up, Council. Same ball. 40 seconds of the shot clock. Uno, dos, tres. Oras natin is 9 minutes and 16 seconds. 20 seconds of the shot clock. Uno, dos, tres. Score 103-87. Cross metal ball. Oras 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Foul. Number 15. Number 15. First personal foul. First team foul.
Wala akong kita ano.
Score
Wala akong kita.
104-87. Oras 7 minutes and 47 seconds. 104-89. Albo. One oh six, 89. Oras natin 7 minutes and 53 seconds. Outside. Outside. Bruce Metal Ball. Oras natin is 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Score 106.89. 20 seconds on the shot clock. Townsend ball. Oras natin is 6 minutes and 47 seconds. Uno, dos, tres. 109.89 in favor of Townsend. Oras natin is 6 minutes and 26 seconds. One oh nine, 81. Outside, Bruce Metal Ball. Score natin is 109.91 in favor of Townsend. Oras natin is 5 minutes and 59 seconds. Uno, dos, tres. 109.94. Oras, 5 minutes and 46 seconds. Three points. Uno, dos, tres. Oras natin is 5 minutes and 90 seconds. Score. Wala 15-96. Score. Uno, dos, tres. Score 117-96. Favor of Townsend. Foul. Who's foul there? Number 6. Substitution. Score 118-96. Time out. Substitution. Sorry.
Sorry lang. Good.
Bruce Metal Ball outside. Oras natin is 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Outside, Townsend ball. Oras natin is 4 minutes and 8 seconds. Score 118-96.
Ready, bang!
Oras pa natin is 3 minutes and 23 seconds. Townsend ball. Oras 3 minutes and 8 seconds. 29 seconds. Albo. Sir Darby, pa rin. Score, 118-98. Oras natin is 2 minutes and 20 seconds. One 100. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Brought to you by Off-Taking. Score pa natin is 118-100. Save ball. Oras, 1 minute and 45 seconds. One 100. Foul. Push ball. Number 5. Number 5. Second personal foul by number 5. First team foul. Substitution. Substitution. Alam mo na? Wala pa muna tayo substitution. 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 Score po natin is 120. 102. Albo! 1, 2, 3. 123. 102. Albo! Ang symbol. Oras natin is 1 minute and 14 seconds. Best player natin ay si Paleta.
Alam ko may kumito.
Best player natin ay si Paleta. Congratulations po sa mga nanalo.